Right, Sophie. So, just a quick little video on wagon wheel first of all, and then there was that strumming pattern as well, and we might do a bit of the swung stuff as well. So first of all, I'll just go for wagon wheel first. So we're doing it in G. So G chord, and remember that little change we did there. So instead of doing the D like this with your fingers in a row, which in fairness a lot of people do, but it's not as good as having your first finger in the middle, then the other two fingers on either side of it. So when you're coming at it from the G, there's the G, first finger stays put, middle finger goes over the top, third finger goes underneath. So just and then to get that change and make it feel normal, you just go back, forward, over and over and over again, and you'll have it. Okay, so wagon wheel then. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Rock me, mama, like a wagon wheel. Rock me, mama, any way you feel. Hey, yeah, mama, rock me. Rock me, mama, like the wind and the rain. Rock me, mama, like a southbound train. Hey, yeah, mama, rock me. So a couple more with that. All right. So that's that. So you're just gonna play along with that. So something to play because I know that the Nathan Carter version of it is actually in the key of A. So rock me, mama, like a wagon wheel. E is always a bit of an awkward one. Rock me, mama, and away. Can't remember it in A. But anyway, yeah. So you won't really be able to play along with that, or unless I saw you had a capo. Most people don't use capos on the ukulele, but if you've got a capo, if you want to play along with the real thing, put it up there, and once your capo is here, then you put the G down on that. Then G, because you're bringing it up to it, goes G, G sharp, A. So if you take this, there's G. I'm playing it a bit differently now for the barring. Take it up, 1, 2, put the bar, so like this is the capo. So there's an A chord. So if you want to play along with the Nathan Carter version, just do exactly what you're doing, but put the capo on the second fret. Okay, so next thing was the difference between a swung and a straight rhythm, right? So we were talking about how that wagon wheel song is a swung rhythm, right? So it's just a case of just making sure you don't drift back into the straight rhythm, right? So we're going bum 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 as opposed to bum 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 bum. So that's straight. So swung. So what we'll do is, as usual, you don't want to worry about chords when you're trying to get something right when it comes to rhythm, okay? So we'll just use a C and we'll just go 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 and 1 da 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 da. And it helps as well to say it in your head because you know what it sounds like, so it's easy to say. Bum, ba, bum, ba, bum, ba, bum. And then, your hands kind of hook up with what you're saying. So, what you don't want to happen is this. Sort of drifting back into the straight way of doing it. It's always either swung or it's straight. It's never kind of both. Well, you don't want to say never when it comes to music, but you know what I mean. So the last thing was that strumming pattern. So we'll do this straight. Now you can do it. You can do this swung or straight. We'll do it straight here, but so we'll use G this time just to mix it up. And so remember, it's down, down, up, down, up. Okay. So, but remember, you don't need to remember down, 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 up, or any of that. All you need to know is what it sounds like and move your hands down, up, down, up, down, up constantly, right? And then for some of them, you're just missing it, okay? So, and you have it there noted in your in the notes. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, down, up, down, See the way I'm going down on the third beat? I'm just not hitting it. There it is. Bum 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 bum. Skip da 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 down down up. Skip da da down up. Skip da da. All right. So plenty to be getting on with there, and oh yeah, there's Hey Jude as well. Or no, it was Let It Be. Yeah, Let It Be. I think was the one we were talking about there. So so yeah, just keep it up, practicing away, and I'll see you next week.